So the very first edition of the Boom El Clasico preseason football encounter between city rivals Arnett Gardens and Waterhouse had the Tony Spallings complex in the jungle bursting at the seams, as is always the case when these two giants of local football meet. And yes, the junglists defended their turf to walk away with the $1 million and the irresistible bragging rights as the first ever winners of the Boom El Clasico. Of course, there were some limited concerns about the fact that Arnett and Firehouse were handpicked for this venture. And for obvious reasons, Arnett Gardens and Waterhouse carry big fan bases. And how can anyone blame the sponsors for partnering with the teams with some level of rivalry and massive fan bases? So every team cannot play the El Clasico. That would be watering down the concept. But I tell you this, whatever happens going forward with other teams eventually participating, there will always be a feeling that Arnett Gardens and Firehouse were the original El Clasico contenders. But make we see how it goes now. Boom concept, boom idea, and it worked brilliantly. Boom.